Do you feel this wave of something, but you can't put your finger on it? It's a shift, it's a change, it's happening a while now, and I can't really put my finger on it. Well, I put my eyes on it, and I found some stuff I want to share. What I have found is that we are moving into the next wave where power isn't about owning land or factories anymore. It's about owning attention, data, and ideas. The new power is city life, and it's digital. They don't want towers of steel, they want them out with algorithms, trends, and influence. But what's also happening underneath all of this is people are waking up to it. They're realizing we actually have a choice. You don't have to live plugged into someone else's rhythm, someone else's system. You don't have to scroll yourself into numbness just because that's the stream they built for you. The real control they want is your focus, your belief that you have no choice. That's the product they're selling you now. They want you to depend on this, to believe that it's real, but it's not. But if you believe that, then they own your attention. They don't need to own your house, your car, your clothes. They already live rent-free in your mind. But I'm telling you now, we can still say no. We can choose to step back, to be more human, more organic, to reconnect with the real ecosystem and not the ego system, to learn again what's real, like food, breath, soil, sound, community, and a million billion other things. That's where the new freedom is. Not in escaping in technology, but in not letting it replace your sense of aliveness of yourself. And next time you feel like scrolling, just pause, notice the urge that pulls you in, and ask yourself, who is guiding this motion? Can you even remember the video that was 2 scrolls ago? Most of us actually can't do that. And that's the whole point. That's the plan, to make us forget the texture of our lives before the algorithm. So if you want to be a part of their plan, fair enough, that's your choice. But I just want to spread awareness on what they don't tell you, what they don't want you to know, because if you knew, it would have collapsed their vision. At the end of the day, we are not robots, and we will never be. Robots are already here, they just don't need us to join them, because in a way they're already better. We're human, so pick up that book, read something that fills your soul, learn about nature, be in it, be reminded by it. Stop wanting things just to fill your silence, because you'll only want more and more and more. Remember, you already have it all. Work with what you already have, otherwise we end up working for them.
Remember me お別れだけど Remember me